Welcome to day 19 of the LEGO 2021 Harry Potter Advent Calendar Build and Reveal. Day 19, if we look at the board here, we can see day 19 there in the middle. That is what we're looking at, that type of shape. I have no idea what day 19 is going to reveal. So let's find it on our Advent calendar right here, day 19. So let's open that up and we have, okay, I think this is going to be the train station 9 3/4 pillar that they run through. That is going to be my guess. Put these out. Move Harry over there. It's a good number of pieces in this one. This probably has the most number of pieces. See if I can count them as I go along. 1, 2. Then we have 2 of these, 3 and 4, 5. What way will that go? That way. And 6. Yep. 5 and 6, and then 7 and let's see, 7 and 8. What do we got? 9. What if that goes like that? It must go like that. It's 9 pieces. 10, 11. 10, 11. That caps it off there. That's 12. That goes out there. It's 13. If I get that right. Ooh. Why isn't that going on there? It's not high enough. Come on. Having some trouble with this one. So up to 12 pieces because I haven't put 13 on there yet. I wonder why that wasn't going. Let's try this side. Okay, maybe I was trying to go on the wrong section. 13, 14, 14. Still having trouble. I'm doing something wrong here. Up to 14 pieces. And look at that. 15. Okay, so it's only these 2 to put on there. Why do I have those 2? Oh, I know what I've done wrong. That's what happens when you rush. 16. 17. Now let's see if it's 18. 19. I think I counted right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. That's a pretty neat piece, actually. I really like how they've done that. Well, that's it. Day 19 done. Put that in place. Next is day 20 for Monday the 20th. And on the board, it's down here. Down here on the board. Day 20, but on the Advent calendar, on the board, we don't actually see a day 20 anyway, or anywhere. So I'm thinking it might be the final minifig, and my guess is it's Hermione. So that is where we are at. Looking forward to tomorrow. Thank you for joining me. Have a great day.